What's going on, everyone? Today is the 22nd day of March 2020. Here to give you all this update on Ethereum price prediction. And I'm here to tell you now that Ethereum is weak and we just need to figure out how low it's going to go before we find the next area of support. Welcome to our channel. You guys appreciate our content. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, and then follow us on the other social media platforms, i.e. you can follow us on the gram, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and then we got our own website. Join our community on our website in order to make sure you are a part of the community that is ahead of the game in terms of where we're expecting these cryptocurrencies to go in the market. All right, so now let's talk about Ethereum. Just to give you all a heads up, we told you all on our last video in Ethereum, which was on the 3rd day of March, that we wanted to sideline the market to allow it to do what it do. And then once we get a better idea as to the hints, as to the confirmations that Ethereum is giving us, we'll go ahead and participate in the next move. And this is what this video is going to be about. So you guys can tell, okay, the majority of cryptocurrencies paired against the dollar are all insinuating price weakness. And as we start out this week, it looks like the volatility is going to still be there in the cryptocurrency space alongside the world financial stock market. So just be prepared to see a lot of volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, so I'm gonna take this line right here and I'm going to use it down here now for that weakness. This area here in Ethereum is restriction. Okay, it is restricting the market in Ethereum from seeing higher price. So we're going to use this line as a visual aid to show us where the market resistance in Ethereum is coming in at. It's a lot of restriction playing out in the cryptocurrency space at prior areas of support. I mean, you could look at a lot of cryptocurrency price charts and understand that that's precisely what's going on. Just did a video for Bitcoin, and it has given us the same type of idea in the market for Ethereum. Okay, $140 is where the market's finding restriction, and the market is not allowing Ethereum to break above it. We tagged $140 4 consecutive days, and each day Ethereum could not break above that particular price. So the market is acting shook. It's acting like it's wanting to break above 140, but something is in its way. So that's one reason why the expectation and weakness is still there in the market for Ethereum. When you look at Ethereum on the weekly time frame, though, I will tell you that this cryptocurrency is not strong and it's not weak. Okay, it just looked like the market's going to hold consolidational trading in Ethereum twice this week, and then last week the market in Ethereum came in, touched and tagged $100. So we understand that this is where the market support is at, $100 in Ethereum. The market can really go either way in the long term. So we cannot play a forecast in the market for Ethereum in the long term, not yet. We do understand, though, that the last 3 weeks in the market in Ethereum, that weakness is controlling the market. So at least that is on the side of weakness. But the market support and the strength buyers are trying to come in and support this currency. So long term, we would have to uphold and sideline the market in Ethereum because the directional movement is definitely not there. If anything, just consolidational trading for Ethereum. But looking here on the daily time frame screams nothing but weakness. 4-hour time frame screams nothing but weakness. But let me preface what I just said. Yes, the market in Ethereum is weak, but not all that weak. I mean, not so much to where I would be looking for the market to break down below $100. Not yet. I do suspect it to continue to see lower price and try to tag some support areas like 120 and then 110. Okay, and that's just merely consolidational trading. Like I just told you, in the long term, this market is just really consolidating. We're not in a directional move right now in Ethereum. So we can still play the market, though, with movement to the downside. So let's do it. Obviously, you know, our first area of TP would be right there at 120. Okay, so that would be about 4.63%. We're almost there now, as a matter of fact. So if you watched this video late, you missed out, and that's on you. So we're going to drag it all the way down to 110 as we continue to see this market trade out over the next couple of days. And that's about it. I'm not really too concerned as to the overall weakness in Ethereum, but just merely consolidational trading for the next couple of days. And the consolidation range is going to be 140 all the way back down to $100, but I don't think it's going to hit $100 unless massive weakness hits the overall financial world. Okay, so this is it real quick. Expecting the market in Ethereum to move lower. 120, it's our first initial area of TP, and then ultimately 110 in the market there. All right, simple to see, simple to understand. Join us at our website, HueFinancial.com, and trade different.